Yeah, so we have a direct integration with Shopify Plus via a plug and play. So our app's available on the Shopify App Store, and once you install it, it also triggers a 2-week free trial. In terms of customizations, one of the great things that Klevu can provide is we can make sure the styling matches everything that you currently have, or if you're re-platforming and you're building out new designs, we can also style it to match the same. So we've got templates that you can customize, and same for the overlay. So what the overlay is when you type and you have a drop down. Again, that's fully customizable, so you can either use one of our out the box templates, or you can look at building something more customized out with ourselves and Swanky to help you along the way with that.